How to create discount promotions in Shopee. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create discount promotions in Shopee. Start by opening the Shopee app and logging in with your account. After that, you'll get to see an option that says Marketing Center. So, go to the Marketing Center. From there, what you need to do is select the option for discount promotion. Here, you need to select Create a New Voucher. After that, you will get to see an option that says Create a New Discount. So select Create a New Discount. Once you've made your choice, fill in the voucher details, including the start time, end time, discount name, minimum spend, usage, quantity, and any other necessary information. Then fill in discount settings. Next, click on Add Products. Finally, click on the Save button to complete the process. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.